What up? Jumping right into this, hit that start button. It's going to put you into service mode where you can access your menu without running the vehicle. So from here, you'll see right on the dash, need the oil service. I've already checked the fluids, pump pressure, as well as the sensor. So fluids have already been swapped out. Let's move on. You're going to hit that menu button on your right-hand side, and you're looking for distance and time. If it's not on your menu, what you're going to do is go up to settings, select settings, and if it doesn't have a check mark, that means it's not going to be on your menu. So just find distance and time, select that. Now I already have it selected, so I'm gonna just hit the back button and I'm gonna scroll down to distance and time. Once you get there, what you're gonna do is hold down that right button for 4 seconds. Once you let it go, you're gonna see the menu change, and that'll give you your selection for resetting your oil service, your oil change. So depending on what you did, this is where you'll select it to reset it. Select OK, and you're done. It's as simple as that. Just make sure you do all your services ahead of time. That way your reset is exactly where you want it. Simple as that. Get it. Like and subscribe, y'all.